Hello everyone, welcome to Peace Public School Kottakkal. I am a part of the Project Suite Category 4.
Hi parents, you know that we have introduced the Cyber Square curriculum almost 5 years ago, and now this is the 5th year I believe. And you know, the change what we had during these years is a huge change, that all of our students are capable of making their own IT product is at the school level is not a silly thing. You know, every year by year, the number of students participation is increasing in the digital fest. That means they are making their own IT product, whether it is a commercial website or AI based technology or a robotics technology. At least they are able to make a game software. So this is in a school level, at a secondary level, this is something very great.
I am Kanza Fatima from Category 4 Product Suite. So this is one of the projects that we have done in this year. This is a quiz in which you can answer multiple questions, and if the answer is correct, you'll get a score for it, and you can add as much as questions you want. You can also use this for any purpose. Like the main reason that I use it for is that when I have difficulties studying, one-word question for exam, so this is also helpful for academics. Thank you.
And our students are really enjoying it, and they are positively engaging with this technology, and that help them to grow in every aspect of their development, whether it is academics or co-academics.
Hi, my name is Ryan Nidal. I am from grade 8A. We have created 3 projects, and this is an e-commerce website. This is mainly used for product search, and if we search the product, it will appear over here.
So, the project suite which they introduced, that's also an extended program from the normal students, those who are more interested in the project making. They are given some 15 projects as part of the project suite. That's also an additional advantage for the children, and they are getting additional exposure into the world of technology. Our children are getting this exposure at the school level, will help them to map their profession and career, and that will positively impact in their academic as well.